Do I want to do this? Aw, crap. Yo, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And before we get into today's video, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you guys that have watched the videos and subscribed. It is truly mind-blowing and it means the world to me. It's crazy that I started this channel years ago, back in 2016, and it was a dead channel, and I wanted to make a cubing channel but never really figured out how to break out into the algorithm and how to make entertaining videos. But recently, with the videos that I have made and even some that I filmed last year, these videos have been doing really well and have hit the algorithm, and yeah, and people are finally starting to see my stuff and notice, and it feels good to actually make videos for people that want to watch them. That's been my goal from day one. So thank you guys so much. Yeah, 100 subscribers, it feels really good. I remember when I hit 100 on my main channel, that was such a good feeling. I was a little kid. Yeah, I have so many videos in the making. I have so many things planned, tons of videos. I have secret lube video that I want to drop after this one. Be on the lookout for that one. That one's a banger. I have so many really other cool ideas that I want to do. Funny skits, more like introspective documentary style stuff. So I have a lot of things I'm gonna be working on, and a lot of fun stuff too, like how to make your own stickers, how to make your own cube logos. I made this by hand. Also how to make your own t-shirts. I can help you guys make your own logo t-shirts. How cool would that be, right? But anyway, that's all in the future. Today, we're gonna be focusing on this thing, this heaping mound of cubes here. So as you saw in the last video, I showed you guys my collection, 65 plus cubes, right? Lots of stuff. So a year ago, I filmed this footage. I thought it'd be fun to do a entire solve of the collection in one sitting. Anyway, just think of this as a special video, a thank you for 100 subscribers. Hope you guys enjoy it, and so much more planned in the future. This is gonna be amazing. Can't wait to take this journey with you. Later. Hey, what's up, guys? Cuber Vinny here, back for another video. Tonight I'm doing a interesting video. I'm gonna try to solve every cube in my collection. I have never done this ever. I have no idea how long this is gonna take, and I have no idea what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna try to do this in less than an hour. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun challenge. Hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, I'm gonna put on some tunes and just zone out and cube. Hope you guys enjoy it. All right, we're gonna time it as well. 3, 2, 1, go. apply perm and finish it off. Thank God. Time. Oh, I did it, you guys. Oh man. Wow, what a process that was. I did it. There we go. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys made it through this whole thing, you guys are MVPs. Oh, looks like I didn't solve it. There we go, now it's done. So, put a +2 on that time.